Iran's sky is no longer open. It is led, it is guarded, and it is bristling with missiles. Because Tehran believes something big may be coming, and this time it is prepared in advance. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Triti Yatri, and satellite images, they don't lie. Fresh visuals show that Iran moving its most powerful Russian-made air defense system closer to its biggest cities. The system at the center of all? Well, the formidable S-300 PMU-2, a long-range surface-to-air missile shield designed to detect, track, and destroy the incoming aircraft and cruise missile. Let me simplify this for you. If enemy jets enter Iranian skies, this system is meant to shoot them down. But why now? Because the US has been increasing its military presence in that region. More aircrafts, more surveillance, more electronic warfare platforms, and among them, the Boeing EA-18G Crawler, an aircraft built for just one purpose: blinding the enemy air defenses. It jams the radar, it disrupts the communication, it opens the door for strike aircraft. And alongside it, there is a F-16 CJ Fighting Falcon, a jet specifically modified to hunt and destroy the radar-guided missile systems like the S-300. That's not a coincidence. That is preparation meeting the counter preparation. Iranian officials say that some of their air defense units they were previously damaged. Now they claim that replacements they are in place. Systems repaired, launchers repositioned, and radar networks recalibrated. The skies secured. That is the message coming from Tehran today, but here's where it gets even more strategic. There are reports, unconfirmed but persistent, that China could be secretly supporting Iran with additional air defense components. Now, if that happens, it changes the equation because this would no longer be just Iran versus the United States. It would become a triangle of power. Russia's technology, China's backing, Iran's territory. Now imagine this scenario here. American jets approached, electric warfare begins, radar screens, they are flickering. Iranian operators inside underground command centers operating and monitoring the incoming signal. Long-range tracking systems lock onto the targets hundreds of kilometers away. Launch crews stand ready, fingers near activation switches. All it takes is just one order. And the stakes here, massive. The S-300 system can engage multiple targets all at once. It is designed to intercept the fighter jets, drones, and even certain types of ballistic missiles. It forms a proactive dome over strategic cities and military bases. Now, taking it out would require precision, coordination, and speed. Failing to neutralize it, well, it could mean losing an aircraft. In the meantime, Western militaries, they are not even unaware. NATO forces have spent years training specifically against the S-300 type system. Simulations, electronic countermeasures, and live exercises, they study its radar pattern. They rehearse the suppression tactics because, ladies and gentlemen, in modern warfare, the first battle is for the sky. Yes, control the air, control the battlefield. And right now, that battle has not just begun, but both the sides are rehearsing it in real time. Iran fortifying, America positioning, each side sending a message without firing a single bullet.